Every single coach and healer that I know of would absolutely love to be making daily sales with their soul work. Who wouldn't? But the thing is that most people don't have the things in place that create daily sales. And so they end up posting about whatever feels aligned today, talking about random topics, hoping that somebody will see it and like it and reach out and buy. And even if the content is good, even if people are saying this is so powerful, they're still wondering where their next client is coming from. And this might be you too. People do want what you have, by the way. The issue is that right now your genius is not obvious or easy to pay for, aka people don't see why paying you is going to get them what they want. So in this video, I'm going to show you the actual structure behind why I haven't had to do a sales call in over 3 years and I've still made multiple six figures, why my content turns into daily sales regardless if I'm on or not. No cold messaging, posting in Facebook groups. I don't even post every single day. My content is not dependent on my mood or my intuition to tell me what I have to say today. And I definitely don't go chasing people down to try to convince them of how good my offer is. I'm going to show you how I structure my sales rhythm, my offers, my ecosystem so that people come to me already pre-sold, asking me for the sale before I ever even speak to them. This is the part that most people never figure out, and it's also why going back to your old job sounds like a viable option every once in a while. This is the system underneath that makes your people move from, ooh, this is good, to how do I work with you? And once you see this, you'll understand why trying to fix your content without this will always feel exhausting. In the last video, which I'll put up here in case you didn't see it, I talked about how after I started focusing on what happens after the sale, everything changed. And that's exactly where I want to start today. Because most people are looking in the wrong place and doing it backwards, making things that they think people will buy, guessing what to say in their content to make people want to buy. And your success in your business is not a guessing game. It is not a mystery. When you put the right message in front of the right person at the right time, they will buy. It's math. And that message does not come from your intuition alone. Step one is that everything in your business starts with what turns you on the most to activate in other people. This is your North Star. And unfortunately, this is the part that most multi-passionate people struggle with, just like I did. That's because of the way that it's packaged. The one transformation, one result, one client kind of thing, it does not mean what you think it means. And it's actually a liberator for multi-passionate, neurospicy, and spiritual people when done right. So if you've ever struggled with your niche or putting words to what you do, it's because you haven't identified what this is for you. The moment you do, your conviction turns on full blast and things start clicking very, very fast. And this is not random. You are designed to deliver a specific transformation. This is your genius. It might look like a bunch of different things, but it's not. It is your unique blueprint turned into your unique methodology, and that's exactly what I did. And this is step 2, is to build a methodology that creates results on repeat. This is what removes guessing. This is where your conviction becomes unwavering. This is why your content stops being random, and it's also where all of your offers come from. This is the reason why I could sell something called Transcending the Witch Wound in Business and then turn around and sell something called Your Worthiness and then Rich Bitch Ritual and still have clients reaching out to me for business and client attraction coaching. They might not look connected, but they are through the messaging. And so that's step 3, is that we extract the messaging from your unique methodology. It doesn't just come from wherever. I created a unique method called the 6-post obsession funnel to replace my sales calls. So when I put the 6-post obsession funnel in place, this is content that answers the real questions that your people are already asking themselves that most of the time they don't even know they're asking. This interrupts the conversations that your people are already having with themselves. It speaks to the most aspirational and empowered version of your soulmate client. So you're not calling in people who have a ton of objections that they have to get through. Maybe later, I can't afford it. Because this is the kind of content that moves people from confusion into clarity, into desire, and then into decision. This is why my content replaced sales calls and has people coming to me already pre-sold. Step 4 is to put a simple sales system underneath all of this and let it run. This system is going to look like using some kind of advertising, whether it's paid or organic ads, going to an offer, then to your email list, and people naturally upgrade in your world as they get to experience you. So you don't have to actually put all this pressure on your social media content. There are tons of other kinds of content that do the selling for you. Sometimes there's a low ticket step in there. Sometimes it's a masterclass. Sometimes it's a membership. The system itself isn't going to look the same for everybody because we focus on building the system that is for you, that matches your unique desires, goals, preferences, and your design, your human design. And even though it's not the exact same, it's not a copy-paste business model, the purpose of a simple sales system is the same no matter who you are. It's to get people off of social media and into your ecosystem so that they can experience you, so that working with you becomes the obvious choice because they're already in motion. Why wouldn't they keep going? This is something they want. It's the only logical next step in their journey. And there's very specific buyer psychology that is happening at every point along the way. Step 5 is to run this inside of an ecosystem that holds everything together for you so that your business still works while you're off having a good time with your family, coaching your clients, doing the work that you started your business to do in the first place. Doing this once is not the problem, okay? People launch all of the time. It's doing it and sustaining it that people usually have an issue with. I'll see people have a 10K month or a 20K month and then instantly revert back to, well, what do I do now? Because they don't know what they did to get that result. They don't know how to repeat it. They don't know if it was this piece of content or this other thing that they did. They don't know. And so they cannot create consistency in it. They cannot create predictable, repeatable, sustainable success. It's embodiment plus feedback plus refinement over time that is going to create consistent daily sales and have people naturally upgrading in your world on a regular basis, with you knowing exactly what you did to make that happen so that you can repeat it. Most people understand this intellectually and they even go and try it, but then they find themselves right back where they were guessing. And the reason why is because they don't see their blind spots. They don't see the parts of their message that are their genius, where they need to expand this thing and collapse that thing a little bit, cut that out totally. They don't actually upgrade their identity to hold the next level of success. They slip back into old patterns where they're comparing themselves, looking at what everybody else is doing instead of unleashing their soul. They'll start worrying about what their current audience is going to think if they start being who they actually are. They lose conviction without an accurate reflection, so they'll overthink it, overcomplicate it, lead with their perfectionism, procrastination, and then spend months tweaking instead of refining the exact things that their work requires. And honestly, nobody has time for that shit. And this might even be you right now. And if it is, I want to invite you to the Feral Bitch Business School. This is where we are going to lock in your North Star. This is where we build your actual methodology from your unique genius, where we create the exact messaging that makes selling easy. It doesn't force you to depend on the randomness of your insights and your intuition. And you install a simple sales system so that your business works for you even whenever you're not on. And then we refine it until sales are consistent. This is where you get daily support, feedback, structure. I do audits on your content, on your sales pages. We co-create this stuff together, and it all goes step by step so that you're not wondering what to do next. And it's always in service to daily sales, with you being who the you are, so that you don't feel like you have to shapeshift in order to make sales, because it's coming from you and what you're actually here to do in the world. I've had clients sell stuff that marketing experts say that you can't sell because they don't understand the complexity of a multi-passionate, neurospicy genius creator. Things like witchcraft, shadow work, even advanced gratitude practices. It does not matter what you're selling. Again, when you put the right message in front of the right person at the right time, they buy, regardless of what the market's doing or the algorithm or the economy. This is the real sales psychology and business mechanics that work to create cash in the bank every single day and dream clients on repeat. So if you're done trying to figure this out on your own and you want a business where sales come from your soul work instead of all the imaginary pressure that you put on yourself to figure it out and follow trends and hack the algorithm, Feral Bitch Business School is where this actually gets built. Because most people don't need another strategy. You need to see why what you already do and who you already are is capable of making you a shitload more money, doing exactly what you're obsessed with, and then make it obvious and easy for your soulmate clients to pay you. This is about building a business that can hold who you actually are, so that your depth and your multidimensionality stops being this thing that you have to like manage or dumb down or try to make people understand, and it starts being the thing that actually creates demand in your world to work with you. So if you're done shapeshifting to sell, you want the structure that works with you instead of against you, this is where it all gets built. So make sure you go down to the description and come play with us.